Dear students, I am Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. Today, I am going to discuss about chapter number 4, section number 7, that is raw materials of industries, agri materials. Raw materials of industries, agri materials. First of all, we have to describe about raw materials. What are raw materials? Raw materials are those materials from which various kinds of products are produced. Raw materials are those materials from which various kinds of products are produced. This definition is very much important for your question. And now, what are agricultural raw materials? From this definition, we can describe that agricultural raw materials are those raw materials from which agricultural products are produced. Agricultural raw materials are those raw materials from which agricultural products are produced. Now, here in this chapter, some raw materials are described. What are they? First of all, mango, secondly coconut, and thirdly bamboo. First of all, mango, secondly coconut, thirdly bamboo. Before giving this example of raw materials, for an example, suppose you will write with a pencil. What are the raw materials of pencil? The raw materials of pencil are wood. Why? Wood is the raw materials of pencil. Pencil is made of wood. So, wood is the raw materials of pencil. Then, in the classroom, you sit on the bench and put your book on the table. What are the raw materials of table and bench? Then you can already describe that wood is the raw materials of table and bench because bench and table is made of wood. So, you all of you can understand that about the raw materials of agricultural products. Now, first of all, mango is the raw materials of agricultural product. Mango is called king of fruits. Then Bangladesh ranks first regarding taste and India ranks first regarding production. Areas are Greater Rajshahi, Pabna, Dinajpur. Various kinds of food items are prepared from mango such as chutney, achar, juice, etc. And all of you are very much fond of mango. So, various varieties of mango in our country, that is Amrapoli, Himsagar, Gopalbhog, etc. Now, secondly, coconut. All of you know about coconut. Coconut is called cash and oil crop. This line is very much important for MCQ question. For coconut is called cash and oil crop. So, in your question, for an example, give an example of cash and oil crop. Then you can write that coconut is a cash and oil crop. The inner portion, that is endosperm, is used as human feed. The inner portion, that is endosperm, is used as human feed of coconut. So, coconut, the inner portion is used, all of you used as human feed, and all of you fond of this, that feed as a coconut, inner portion endosperm. Now, what is coconut husk? It's very much important raw material of coconut is coconut husk. What is coconut husk? Coconut husk, external portion of coconut. External portion of coconut. That what is coconut husk? External portion of coconut. What are the products prepared from coconut husk? That is cushion, walnut, paposh, rope, etc. are prepared from coconut husk. Cushion, walnut, paposh, rope, etc. prepared from coconut husk. Then this coconut husk is very much important raw materials of coconut. Then see the whiteboard. Young coconut is known as green coconut. Young coconut is known as green coconut. This line is very much important for a question, that is what is known as green coconut. Then you can say that young coconut is known as green coconut. And the water of green coconut is very much tasty and nutritious. And various kinds of diseases like jaundice can be recovered from this green coconut water. And oil also can be extracted from the external portion of coconut, internal portion of coconut. Then young coconut is known as green coconut. I have already said this coconut is catch and oil crop. I have already said. Then finally bamboo. All of you know about bamboo. Bamboo is known as grass plant. Bamboo is grass plant. Now, what are the classification of bamboo? Classification: 3 types. Number 1, paper industries. Number 2, construction industries. Number 3, small and cottage industries. These 3 classifications are very much important for bamboo raw materials. Bamboo is the raw materials which is used as alternative of wood. So, we know that wood is very much important raw material of agricultural products. That is mango wood, segun wood, jackfruit wood, is various kinds of furnitures are prepared from this wood. Bamboo is used as alternative of wood. So in your exam, for example, this can be given what is the used as alternative of wood. Then you can write that bamboo is used as alternative of wood. Then these 3 classifications are also very important. That is paper industries. Muli bamboo is used for paper industries. Muli bamboo. I can again say muli bamboo is used as paper for paper industries. And this is very much important for your question. In this industries, muli bamboo is used for paper, and you can write on paper which is prepared from muli bamboo. Then number 2, construction industries. See the word book, house or beautification. For house or beautification, pillar, various kinds of products are prepared from construction industries. And number 3, small and cottage industries. Small handicrafts are prepared from small and cottage industries. So students, these are the important topics of this chapter. I can repeat this chapter again, that what is the name of this chapter? See, raw materials of industries. This chapter's main important topic is raw materials of industries, and most importantly agricultural raw materials. What are the agricultural raw materials? Agricultural raw materials are those materials from which agricultural products, various kinds of agricultural products are produced. And then what are the raw materials? Are those from which various kinds of products, normal products are produced. Here 3 kinds of raw materials are have been described. That is, first of all, mango. Is known as king of mango. This line is very important for your question. Then Bangladesh ranks first position for taste, and India ranks first position for production. Then what are the areas of mangoes, and what are the preparing items for mango? These are the raw materials. And then coconut, number 2, is known as catch and oil crop, and most importantly the inner portion of endosperm is known as human feed. What is coconut husk? This external portion of coconut is known as coconut husk. Then cushion, walnut, paposh, rope, etc. are also prepared. What is green coconut? Young coconut is known as green coconut, and also water of green coconut is very much tasty and nutritious. And then what is bamboo? Bamboo is known as grass plant. 3 types of classification, and that is paper industries, construction industries, small and cottage industries. This classification is very much important for your question. Now, at the end of this lecture, we can learn these items: raw materials, name of the raw materials, mango, coconut, bamboo, classification of bamboo, and mango's food items, coconut husk, and coconut various kinds of products prepared from coconut husk. Now this is all about our course lecture. See you next. Thank you.